Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to see how to clean this dirty oven with some simple tips. The materials we require are water, lemon and vinegar. So let's get started. We need to switch on the oven and keep this bowl inside. We need to microwave it for 5 minutes. Let's get started. And now we need to take this bowl out and clean it with a kitchen towel. So the first step of cleaning. Now you need to put a lemon in a bowl of water and microwave it for 3 minutes. After you microwave it for 3 minutes, now you need to wipe it again with a dry cloth thoroughly. Now, as you can see, the oven is cleaned. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.